Hey guys, so in class, we went through most of the problems on composition of functions and combining functions, but the last two examples we did not get to, and a few of you had mentioned, sorry about that, that you will not be available this afternoon to come see them. So I'm going to go over them now. So our next one is f of a plus b minus f of a. Now, if you recall, in class, we already figured out what f of a plus b is, but just in case, if you want a refresher, I'm going to do that first in purple. So it's going to be 2 times a plus b whole quantity squared minus 3 times a plus b plus 7. Then the minus f of a is going to be minus this whole quantity. So it's going to be minus 2a squared minus 3a plus 7. So we're subtracting that whole thing. I'm going to change colors here real quick. So a plus b squared, remember in class we talked about that. A plus b squared means a plus b times a plus b, so you have to multiply it all out. So that's going to be 2 times a squared, I'm getting that from up above. A times b is ab, b times a is also ab, so that's going to be plus 2ab, and then b times b is b squared. I'm going to distribute this 3 through, so that's going to be a minus 3a minus 3b plus 7. Then I'm going to distribute my negative sign through, so that's going to be a minus 2a squared plus 3a minus 7. All right, I'm almost ready to combine my like terms. So, but before I do that, hang tight. There we go. Sorry, I'm trying to erase some stuff so it's a little bit cleaner. All right, so here we go. So I'm going to have 2a squared plus 4ab plus 2b squared minus 3a minus 3b plus 7 minus 2a squared plus 3a minus 7. So that's where I'm at now. And now what I want to do is see if there are any like terms I can combine. So I have a, let's see, 2a squared and I have a minus 2a squared. So those are going to cancel each other out. All right, I have, let's see, a minus 3a and a plus 3a. So those also cancel each other out. And I have a 7 and minus 7. So those go away. All right, so I'm left with 4ab plus 2b squared minus 3b. And that should be about it. Yep, that should be about it. So there we are with that particular problem. So sorry, I was just double checking my math, making sure everything was good to go. All right, so there we are. So let's go on to that next example. So I'm going to take a moment and erase this. So if for some reason you need to go back and watch any of that, feel free to. All right, our last problem is going to be f of a times f of b. So I'm going to go back up for a second here. So f of a, remember that is 2a squared minus 3a plus 7. And then f of b is 2b squared minus 3b plus 7. All right, this is a trinomial times a trinomial, so take it piece by piece. 2a squared times 2b squared is going to be 4a squared b squared. I'm going to continue erasing over here so I have enough room. All right, then I have 2a squared times negative 3b, so that's going to be a minus 6a squared b. Then I have a 2a squared times 7, which is going to be plus 14a squared. I'm going to change colors. Now middle term. Minus 3a times 2b squared is going to be a minus 6ab squared. Then we're going to have a plus 9ab. Remember, negative times negative is a positive. Negative 3a times 7 is going to be negative 21a. And I'm sorry, I'm going to put this on the next line, mainly because I ran out of room. Actually, you know what? Hold on one second. I might be able to shift this over. Ooh, yay, look at that. So here we go. So now back to the problem. So now last one. So 7 times 2b squared is going to be plus 14, plus, come on, 14b squared minus 21b and plus 49. And that is a 21b, not a 4. It's a 21b. So there are no like terms that you can combine. So that is your final answer. And that's it for the examples.